Hi everybody, Gary Porter again. I've created a masterpiece here for the stator boards, and what I've done is on this piece of paper I put the center. I'm marking everything's referenced to the bottom center here on all 5 units, and then I marked master number 1. I did my line 20. I've broken this down into 24. This matches the prototype for the car. And give me 1 second here. Let me back it out some. Okay. Now these are 1/4-inch holes. And then these match up the 1 7/8 hole cutter bit that's in the center of that, and so there's 24 of those. And then I chose every other. I just extended these lines out, so I'm using 12 holes around for the these are 1/4-inch holes, so these will have a 1/4-inch ready rod through those with spacers, so that all 5 of these pieces of wood will have the spacers in between them, and then they all get bolted together with these 12 rods. Plus I added a couple of extras just to help prevent warping and whatever in the wood. I varnished it 2 coats on the rest of them. I got a whole bunch of them over here all set up and ready to go. And so once you get the master done, then you can just use clamps and just clamp the master to give me 1 second here, just let me back this up a little bit. So you can clamp the master with just wood clamps, and once you clamp it, then you can simply start drilling the holes. Once you got and you mark it, like I marked this one here. I marked it with the bottom indicator, and this is just a reference lines I put on here. This is number 2, and as you can see, I've drilled the 1 7/8 holes for the coils with a bit. So far I've got 4 of them done, and I didn't drill the center hole all the way through. And this area in the center here will be cut out some. Not sure how much yet, because I got a 3-inch diameter spacers that go down the whole length in between all the 4 rotors. There's 12 spacers, 2 on each side of the rotor, and so that's it. This is I've actually moved into a new storage area here. This one here is 10 by 15, and it came out pretty good. And I put shelves in the back, and this is the motor. This space right here between the front entrance and the first workbench is going to be for the 2 pole transformers, the 14,000 volt pole transformers. And this whole empty area in here is going to be, I'm going to drive my dinghy trailer in here, so it saves me $38 a month. And but it's great space, and it's $110 a month plus electricity. Anyway, have a good day. I'll give you another shot of this thing here, and you can see there's there's about 1/8 of an inch here between these coils. So the actual coil inside here is going to be 1 3/4. And so that's it. I got my coil winding machine is over here, and that's I can give you a quick view of that. It's in previous videos. But got my drill press here with some magnets attached to it, and this is a coil winder, and this has got a counter back there, and the actual coil is wound in the back on a mount, and it has a template that it winds into. And I can put 2 10-pound coils of wire on here. I think I'll use 26 gauge, and Going to use a lot of them. I'm going to wind 120 coils. And anyway, that's it. There's my beast with a brand new top out there. Anyway.